Meaning of furze.
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 Furze. Furze refers to a type of shrub or small tree with bright yellow flowers that typically grows in heathlands. The plant is commonly found in parts of Europe and North America. Furze is often used for landscaping purposes due to its vibrant appearance, and it has been used for medicinal purposes as well. Its leaves and flowers are known to contain volatile oils that are used in the manufacture of perfumes and other fragrances. Despite its beauty, the furze is also considered a nuisance plant by some farmers, as it can crowd out other crops,